Hello, my name is Wei from Oros Inotech. Recently, we got many inquiries from customers that they're asking us, do you have any solutions that you can convert the LED street light into solar? Suddenly, I believe this topic is very interesting because, globally, every country, everywhere, so many LED street light or high pressure sodium light or metal headlight is there. But such light is always low efficiency. Brightness is very low. So is there any way that we can change this light with a solar light, but with a minimum cost? How we can change this LED street light with a solar solution? As you know, there's a power supply inside. So the first step is we remove this power supply from this LED street light. So the cable, one side we connect to the LED board directly, and the other side we connect to the battery pack. Okay, here, the components we are going to use for this light include solar charge controller and the battery pack and a solar module. In order to make the installation more easy, we always prefer we put the battery pack and the solar charge controller into this box. So the battery pack and the controller inside. So after we put there inside, we have two cables. These two cables we connected to the solar module, okay, or the regular solar panel. And the other cable we connected to the light. And there's a button here so you can finish installation and just push on the button. So the system is complete, very simple. Only sometimes you need to change the lighting program because we need to save the power. So change the power or change the lighting program with the remote very simply. So this is a way that we change LED street light into a solar LED street light. If you have any good or better solution, please share with us. We will appreciate it very much. Thank you.